I am on the executive leadership team here at Church of the Resurrection. And we just kind of want to welcome you here. This church is actually the largest United Methodist church in the United States. Let's just stretch towards the ceiling. Stretch. Lean to your right.
It was my favorite part to work with Isaac. It's just amazing. And when he teach you something, he gives you the tips quickly. It's an amazing man, and I'm ready. Je suis impressionné. In French, we say, je suis impressionné. Thank you so much. Thank you, Isaac, and thank you for your team.
Here we go, meeting our jaw. Rolling your neck when you do it.
I love how he's teaching people, how he's going to, like, there's so many people here who don't have the same speed of learning, but I think everybody here got the message today, and he was very, very kind today to us, and I was just touched.
One more time. One more time.
So my favorite part of the workshop was when Isaac takes a song that we already know and have rehearsed many times, and he introduces a nuance that we have never thought of before. It just shows you how when you pay attention to the little details, it makes a significant difference.
So my favorite part of the class It was totally the end when we recognize God as our only Savior, and that we trust Him. That's my favorite part, because I think we really need God. Then it really filled me, because it was like the culminant of the end of the class, and I love it. But I love Isaac.